Did you know you can create stunning flower arrangements with everyday items? Today, we'll show you how Lily Wreath transforms simple materials into a beautiful tulipiere. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some cardboard, scissors, glue, and of course, fresh tulips. It's amazing what you can do with just these basics. Start by cutting the cardboard into small squares and circles. These will be the base and supports for your tulipiere. Who knew cardboard could be so versatile? Next, glue the pieces together to form a sturdy structure. This is where creativity comes into play. Lily makes it look easy, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Now the fun part. Arrange your tulips by inserting them into the holes you've created. It's like painting a masterpiece, but with flowers. Watch as Lily adds the final touches, making sure each tulip is perfectly placed. The transformation is incredible, turning simple materials into something magical. And there you have it, a stunning tulipiere made with love and creativity. Ready to impress your friends and family? Give it a try and bring some floral beauty into your home.